Hey guys, today we're gonna go fishing on an active military base. I gotta hurry up. I think the military's after me. This is what I'm tying on right here. You sure? It's still a bass. All right, guys. First freaking bass. Go to my Instagram and you'll see all the fish I catch today. I mean, God almighty, look at that pig. We got our picture. Branson's coming over here. I took a pic. If you just look, you can see the fish swimming around. And if you cast at them, they'll come for it.
Good little lipping. Always been forever.
Oh, look at Branson, dude.
Take a picture of him, son.
No, I can't do that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, don't kill it. But this is what I was doing yesterday. I was coming around here and I was just walking. Wait till I see it. Look, there's a bass over on the other side of the pond, Branson. Oh, I see that bass. Except I can't cast, so you know. Oh, never mind. Got one. I don't, if I can get this freaking fish in. I don't even know. Oh, it came off, bruh.
What the hell?
Well, I have 12 right now. If I had that, I would have had 15. What do you mean it's not working? Just put it on right. Oh, I see a bass. If you want to, Branson, tie on another. Oh, I just ejected onto that bass. No wonder. If you want to, go put a spinner on that pole. You might be able to cast it. I don't know. You don't think so? I do right now. Right on it. Come, turn around, turn around. Got one. Well, I lost one and I got two, so shoot.
Hop off the meat, Emery.
Bass number 2. Gotta get a picture.
Can you come over here?
I just fell, bro. Yeah, I can come over there. Kiss this baby goodbye. Toss it in. Branson gave up with, he was not even using a wacky rig. I don't know what the heck this is. We're gonna take a worm, we're gonna wacky it. So how you do a wacky rig is you're gonna take yourself a worm, kindly just like this one. You're gonna go to like the middle of the bait and you're just gonna set the hook right through it, right here. That's a wacky. So the trick with a wacky rig is whenever it's coming down in the water, it like does that. So whenever you're using a wacky rig, unless you see a fish cast on it, wait until it sinks all the way to the bottom and then just bounce it just a little bit each time. And that is finesse fishing 101. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for a bass. If I can't find one, I'm just gonna cast. Now there's a bunch of bluegill. A bass, I don't see one. You know. Oh, right there, right there. Turn around, turn around. Oh, go for it, go for it. Go for it, go for it. Oh yeah, eat it, eat it, eat it.
He has it. He does.
Statue of Liberty type stand. Whoa, look at that.
That. Oh, shoot. This one's a little bit more fat.
Hey, watch out. Let me right there real quick.
There's a bunch more fish out there, Branson. Look, you see that one right out there in the open?
Watch out, watch out.
All right, fish numero 3. What is that about, boys?
You were at 19. Now where are you at?
We're gonna take a little flick. That's number 3 right there.
And he's swimming away.
Oh, right there. Just swim there. Oh, stop shaking, fish. I'm trying to, don't worry, I'm unhooking you. All right, you're unhooked. Let's let you go. Where is my ultralight?
Oh, that's Branson.
Branson, where's the ultralight? I see a bass, Branson. Look, it's right there.
Where?
Let's see if I catch it. Get off of there. Here. It's right out in front of me. Well, that wasn't far enough. Oh, here we go.
Catch when you like.
Turn around. Number 4. Oh, this one, he's got a pretty cool stripe on him. Do you want this back?
Huh?
Do you want this one back?
Yeah, you spot me out a bass and try to catch it.
Okay, one second. I gotta take a flick with the. Oh boy. Woo! Here. What's up, camera? Probably. I got 4 bass. I didn't catch any more fish, but to make this a little bit longer, we're gonna ride a Z125, and I try to wheel it, but I can't wheelie, so yeah.